Namaste. Now, let us understand how the age of women affects the quality of the egg, or how the age affects the quality of the oocyte. Normally, fertile age of women starts at the age of 10 to 11 years and ends by the age of 40 years. After age of 32 to 35, the quality of egg starts degenerating. The decrease in the quality of the egg consequently reduces the number of fetuses available as well as the effects of the quality of fetuses. Because of this, the chances of conception decrease, and if at all one gets pregnant, the possibility of abortion increases. This is why it is important to get pregnant at the right age and the right time. Many times, due to improper diagnosis or any other personal reasons, the treatment for pregnancy gets delayed, and after the age of 35, all these kinds of problems crop up. In few cases, the quality of the egg starts deteriorating at an early age. Before the age of 25, 30 or 35 years, the stock of the eggs gets over, which is called as menopause. Normally, women get their menopause at the age of 45 to 50, but in some women this stage arrives early, which is called as premature menopause. We can improve the egg quality with the help of medication, but it increases only by 10 to 15%. Due to the age factor, it can't be enhanced further than that. Sometimes, due to degeneration of the egg quality, the chances of getting pregnant are very less or non-existent, and the only alternative left is then to take the help of another woman and use her eggs for pregnancy. But using the eggs of another woman is a very delicate and emotional decision, so the couple needs to think whether it is acceptable by both and should take each other's consent for the same. Mostly, when there is no other alternative left or no option available, then this decision is taken to use another woman's eggs. Now let us understand how this process actually takes place. In our country, there are two ways of getting such help. First is a commercial donation, which means any woman can donate her egg in exchange for money. But this happens in very rare cases. Second is voluntary or altruistic egg donation. In this, a woman who is already undergoing treatment donates her egg to the other woman and helps her in this way. Now, nobody knows from whom the eggs are being taken and to whom they are being donated. It is mandatory for IVF centers by law to keep this information confidential up to a period of 25 years, and it is their responsibility to ensure its secrecy as well. So, this is how the women's age plays an important role in pregnancy and the egg quality, and therefore it's necessary to start treatment as early as possible and at the right age.
अपॉइंटमेंटसाठी कॉल करा 99 22 432 972 किंवा भेट द्या www.ivfcare.in. आजच संपर्क साधा.